Good morning friends. Today we discuss about agronomy. Which crop rotation practiced with jute crop under the rainfed condition? Jute paddy mustard or jute paddy pulse or jute paddy? Which country occupies first position in the world with regard to area and production of groundnut? India. Application of 500 kg of gypsum per hectare is recommended for the groundnut crop at pegging stage 55 days after sowing. The crop which is grown as a substitute for the main crop has failed on account of unfavorable condition is called as catch crop. The branch of agriculture which deals with the scientific crop production and management is known as agronomy. First irrigation to the wheat crop should be given at CRI stage. Cultivation of rice in areas where rainfall is less than 750 mm per annum is known as dry farming. Cultivation of crops in areas received rainfall above 750 mm per annum is called dry land farming. Sugarcane breeding institute is located at Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. The crop which is also called as white gold cotton. The inflorescence of sugarcane is known as yarrow. The crops that are grown similarly to cover the soil and to reduce the loss of moisture and aeration and wind and water is called cover crop. The relationship of a crop or crop community with the surroundings environment is called crop ecology. The complementary interaction between intercrops in the intercropping system is known as anidation. The percent of total cultivated area under fodder crop in India is more than 4.5. The crop which are sown to supplement the yield of the main crop is called augmenting cropping. Growing of sequence of crop on the same land as a recurring succession is referred to as crop rotation. The ratio of crop yield to the total amount of water used in the field is called field water use efficiency. Which growth stage of sugarcane is critical for irrigation? Formative stage. The top portion of the sugarcane should be selected for the seed purpose because bead tissue are rich in glucose. Rice crop needs a climate like which is most suitable for the good growth, hot and humid. Growing of two or more crops simultaneously on the same piece of land with definite row pattern is referred to as intercropping. Indian Institute of Sugarcane is located in Lucknow. Raising of crops with the least tillage operation is called minimum tillage. A system of growing same crop on the same land year after year is termed monoculture. Cultivation of two or more than two crops of different heights simultaneously on a certain piece of land at any certain period is called multi-storied cropping. In 1960, soybean crop was introduced in India from USA. Which pulse crop is used as a pulse, as a fodder and as a green manure? Cowpea, Vigna sinensis. The practice of taking the second crop from the remains of the previous or that is sugarcane is called ratooning. The highest cultivated area crop in the world is wheat. Important cropping system of Indo-Gangetic plain is rice wheat. Which plant is recommended for optimum plant population measure 66,000. Cultivation of durum wheat is primarily confined to central and peninsular India. Please share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.